Hello everyone, this is Stresh from SkyMom and today I am going to explain you about 3D modify tools. Okay, so rest all the modify tools are same, like we are having move, copy, rotate and all that, but in 3D we are having special 3D modifies that are 3D move, 3D rotate and 3D scale. Okay, so you can see here, this is for 3D move, and this is for 3D rotate, and this is for 3D scale. Okay, so now I'll explain you about these all modify tools. Okay, so now here what I'll do is I will take a box. Okay, so this box, if I want to move it in the Z axis, okay, or X or Y, particularly in one particular axis. Okay, so that time here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 3D move. Okay, shortkey for 3D move is 3DM, enter. Okay, so here I'll select the object, I'll click on enter. So next you can see here you are getting axis over here. Okay, so here you are going to select the axis, in which axis you are going to move. Like either you are going to move it in X axis, Y axis or the Z axis. Okay, so like for example, if I am going to move in the Z axis, I'll select the Z axis and I'll give the displacement value. Like for example, I'll give it as 10, enter. So it will move at the distance of 10. You can see here there is a gap between here. Okay, so if you will select as X axis, in X axis it will move in 10 units. Like this. Okay, so this is all about 3D move. Okay, so next after 3D move, next here you are having 3D rotate. Okay, so here I'll take a cone. Okay, so for this cone I will rotate it in X, Y or the Z direction. Okay, so shortkey for 3D rotate is 3DR, enter. So again here I'll select the object, I'll click on enter. So you can see here you are getting three axes. One is red, one is green and one other one is blue. Okay, so this blue one is for Z axis, red is for X axis and green is for Y axis. So now here first I'll select the X axis over here. Okay, you can see in X axis the object is getting rotated like this. Okay, or you can even give the angle over here, like for example I'll give it as 90. Okay, so next if I'm selecting in Y axis, the object will rotate like this. Okay, so like here again I'll give it as 90. So if you are selecting it as Z axis, then the object will move like this. Sorry, this is X axis, sorry, Y axis and this is Z axis. Okay, so you can use this 3D rotate to rotate in all the three directions. So next after 3D rotate, next here you are having 3D scale. Okay, so here if you want to completely scale an object, like for example if I am having a cone itself. Okay, so if I want to scale and if I want to make it as 2 times bigger or smaller. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll use 3D scale over here. Okay, so shortkey for 3D scale is 3DS, enter. Okay, so select the object, again click on enter. So here again you have to select the axis, just select the axis and give the scale factor. Okay, so again if you want the source object as well as the scaled object, then if you want you can click on copy here. Okay, or else just give the scale factor as 2, enter. So it will become 2 times bigger. Okay, so these were all the modified tools which are used in 3D also. Okay, thank you.